Mom, I finally set up an automatic RRSP.
That's wonderful. How much?
$500 a month.
It doesn't have to be a fortune to make a difference.
Exactly. I just wanted to start.
Only 500?
It's what fits my budget.
I'm waiting until life settles down.
Life always seems to find another expense.
I'll start next year.
My RRSP gave me a tax refund.
Nice. What are you going to do with it?
Put every dollar back into my RRSP.
You're letting your money work even harder.
Check out my new SUV.
Congratulations. You must be excited.
I am.
Retirement can wait. Just don't wait too long.
I've got plenty of time.
Still contributing every payday?
Every single one.
Even when money feels tight?
That's why I made it automatic.
Between the mortgage, bills, and everything else, I just can't start yet.
I understand.
Maybe next year.
I hope you don't keep pushing it back.
I'm 45 now.
Thinking about retirement?
I finally opened my RRSP.
That's great.
I'm putting in $1,000 every month. I'm investing twice as much as you ever did.
That's a big commitment.
I'll catch up in no time.
I hope it works out for you.
Priya, can I ask you something?
Of course.
How did your RRSP grow so much?
I started early and stayed consistent.
That's it?
That's really it.
I actually invested more money than you.
Yes.
But your retirement savings are almost twice as large.
Time gave my investments the chance to keep growing.
I thought bigger contributions would make up for waiting,
They definitely help.
but they couldn't replace 15 lost years.
Time is something you can't buy back.
So what's the lesson?
Start as early as you can, even if it's a small amount.
Waiting cost me more than I ever
The
imagined.
habit mattered more than the size of the contribution.
Your future self will thank you for starting today.